to do a street pull. We're going to do a street pull with methanol on. Ready? And go. We have an interesting error. The engine's overheating. My coolant temp says 231. I don't know if that's correct. My rad didn't feel overly hot. So we're gonna turn around and go home.